vapor aerosol that will deliver nicotine to the lungs in a way that many smokers find satisfactory without all the stuff.
But maybe basically satisfactory institutions are based, that these things are the real...
to 4 different performance bands as opposed to just satisfactory or unsatisfactory, and that for veteran teachers
so I'm probably not providing a very satisfactory answer, but it's definitely the case, I think, that I benefited a lot.
And I don't necessarily have a satisfactory answer for that, except to say that I think what really generally...
Passport, that was not satisfactory. So what did they do? They called...
The work is satisfactory and B pays A. Neither of the parties notice it.
Says the public's demands into satisfactory public policy because of weakened institutional function.
Which is, there have to be satisfactory remedies when children's information.
So contact your elected representatives, and if they don't give you satisfactory answers, then allow.
And then also can be used for new cases in ways that are satisfactory. So kinds of lines we might draw is the difference between
maybe work through some issues and have a much more satisfactory solution. So I think at that point also too you have to think about
acceptable and satisfactory agreements with others, but ultimately it also brings
not really stop until they get a satisfactory evaluation.
Mm-hmm. So why is it?
So I don't feel like that's an entirely satisfactory answer myself, but I think it's where
the definition of multiplication for integers is satisfactory for showing elementary facts about the integers.
And in a satisfactory way. And that's not
a different evaluation, completely different form. My evaluative marks of satisfactory had now been turned into unsatisfactory.
So I think that actually this arrangement would be quite satisfactory for many people, and also part of the issue that Doug
cannot give a satisfactory explanation of the observed income and wealth distribution in the U.S. A text
not very satisfactory from anybody's point of view, but a lot better.
Back to the government in Beijing, and this was not satisfactory to the students.
Isn't satisfactory.
Well, Mark, Blue Cross and Blue Shield.
And the mystery mongering gets, God's will defense, and nobody has managed to provide a satisfactory explanation, and I insist.
Features of the site that would be critical to the performance of the satisfactory dam, and the design organization.
This is not satisfactory to us because we want him.
Laws of operational semantics could be derived from the algebra as well. So, yes, very satisfactory.
And still be.
And I don't think she has a satisfactory answer, a convincing answer on the email.
Well, and she was
that I was satisfactory